Finding it tough to choose the right roof for your home? With an abundance of options out there, let me help you simplify your decision. Hi, I'm Emily, the Senior Designer at Lamont Bros Design and Construction. With my experience in design, I understand how our clients can feel inundated with choices. Today, I'm here to guide you through good, better, and best roofing options to help your decision process more manageable and clear. Good level roofing for architectural shingle would have a 30-year lifespan. Architectural shingle is the most common type of roofing found on most homes. It's great roofing that looks nice, but is susceptible to damage and often requires maintenance, especially when it comes to moss. Better level roofing for residential architectural shingle would have a 50-year lifespan. Additionally, better level roofing would include standing seam metal, which has a long lifespan due to the nature of the material. Metal roofing is fire resistant, it reflects heat well, it's easier to maintain than shingle, great for snowy areas and under trees that drop a lot of needles, leaves, and pine cones. Additionally, flat roofing material would fall under the better level. Flat roofing material is not aesthetically attractive, but a great solution for low-pitched roofs. Best level roofing would be tile or cedar shake. Tile is very durable, fire resistant, and rot resistant, easy to replace, but can add a lot of weight to your structure. Wood shake requires more labor to install, but is a natural material that provides a specific aesthetic. Keep in mind, it will gray out over time. I hope this has been helpful in explaining the various roofing options available. For further information as you continue your research, I recommend reading this article, which details the different types of roofing materials. Continue to inform yourself and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content from the experts on home remodeling.